Yo, what is up guys? Today we are back with another Minecraft video. And today we have a new skin! Press the shift to crouch. So we end up in the mine. And I lost my crafting table to mine some. But we got a lot of wood. Silver. Gosh. Okay. That's a crafting table. Okay, if you want to see a server with Tarjana, I'll put a link in the description. So we don't have any sticks. I forgot how. I forgot to put some sticks. We got 12 sticks. Okay, there we go. Wait, there. What's that? Oh no, a bee. A bee! I don't want to mess with that. Let's try mine shaft. Wait, mine. So guys, I'm back. So we just found, I think, oh that's okay. We should find a village. Not a village, not a mine shaft, a village. Yes. Ooh, many sheep. We need the crafting table, guys. Okay, so okay, guys, let's make us sword. Here's a sword, guys. Let's make an axe. Okay. Please. I think. There. And okay. We're trying to find a village. What's this? Not that. We're going there. Facing north towards Navy Village. Ooh. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Not that. Yeah. We need a bed. I'll make. We got 3 coal. Coal. I mean wool. So dumb. And Okay, there we go. Remember how to do it. White pen. Found something. It's getting night, I think. Yeet. Egg. Okay, guys. So. Ooh. We 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 have some poppy for red dye and red bed. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. Oh, any mobs? Nope. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, guys. Here we go again. A Minecraft series. Okay. And thank you guys for all the support from what did it say? From Minecraft PE, Minecraft Bedrock, Minecraft Java. Thank you all. Thank you guys. For a little bit of celebration. Yay! You hit. Okay. Okay. Ang kanya ay pumasok lang na email, tapos ay meron na raw siyang in-order sa online shopping. Nagtaka na siya sa kanyang Gcash. Hindi naman niya ginawa yung hindi ka nagbigay ng OTP, hindi ka napunod ng may mga ganun pang mas high-tech there na discussion kailangan din natin enter. Kasi, ang ginagawa naman ng mga example, halimbawa, meron kang transaction na sugat. Kung papadala hindi yung gigas. Yung gigas, hindi na marinig mo yun, pag hindi mo yung OTP. Agad na din yung i-provide ito. So, kung sabihin, hindi mo alam ang pag-usap mo na yung usapan. There we go. Oh me! That's the easiest way to kill a chicken. Uh-oh. Are chickens following me? We have a carrot. Pig, 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 pig. Wait, chicken. Ooh, egg. Ooh, ooh. See? I really wish I found a village to steal some food. Oh, seeds. 5 seeds. Pork. We have bacon. If you like me to see, if you like guys me to see. Nope, not that. Maybe that will be the end of the video. Guys, subscribe right now. Click the bell icon to never miss an upload. Peace out.